The Rising Baller Ball Mastery program is now live. The Rising Baller is a free ball mastery program designed to take your balance, coordination, footwork, and confidence with the ball to the next level. To get started straight away, scroll down to the description of this video and click on the PDF to access the Rising Baller and its contents. It is an academy-based program created by Rise Football Academy and is used as a homework program to help keep them busy during their off days. Coaches can also use this program for their players if they are looking for ideas regarding patterns or to keep their players fine-tuning their skills during their off days. The program includes a professionally developed PDF, detailed instructions on how to carry out each exercise, follow-along tutorial videos, 7 stages of training, and more than 30 unique exercises. Each stage or day is broken down into 2 parts, foundational exercises and a ball mastery pattern. Each day is meant to prepare you for the next as the program gets progressively harder. The pros say that you need to master at least 3 to 5 foundational exercises that fit into your game naturally. So think of this program as a journey to help you identify some of the moves you feel comfortable doing in an unimposed environment. The ball mastery patterns aim to enhance your balance and footwork with the ball at a higher rate, so make sure you practice the patterns as much as you can. Remember, this program has been made free, so if you enjoy the program, leaving a like and subscribing to my channel will help me keep more content for free in the future. Please make sure you leave some feedback for me either in the comments section or by using the SurveyMonkey link provided within the program. This will help me create even better programs for the future. To get started, click the Rising Baller link in the description below, grab a ball, find a small area to work, set up your device with the allocated follow-along tutorial video for day 1, do a quick dynamic warm-up, and then you can get started straight away. It's time to take your game to the next level, and what better way to do it than with the Rising Baller Ball Mastery program. Good luck, ballers, and I'll see you over for day 1.